Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set task priorities in ClickUp. ClickUp allows you to assign priority levels to tasks, so this helps you and your team focus on the most important work first. Launch open ClickUp application on your desktop or your mobile device or tablets and log in and navigate to the project or your workspace on the screen. Once you have your workspace on your screen, go ahead and look for the task option and tap open My Tasks. Inside My Tasks, select the task you'd like to set priority on. Now, once you open up the task info page, go ahead and tap on Add Property at the top and click on Priority. Now, under Priority, select the priority level. Choose from the available option. If you want to set the priority as urgent, select Urgent with a red flag on it. Similarly, you can also select other levels such as high, normal, or low. Once you select the priority, ClickUp automatically saves it. Your task now displays the priority color and level in the task list and board views. So that is how you can easily set task priorities in ClickUp. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.